Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Baba Tutorials. I hope you all are doing well and doing fantastic. So, guys, this is another problematic day for me. Like as always, you guys know I get stuck in the problems while using Outlook or Excel. So, today, I was just working on the sheet wherein I was trying to put some formulas in it to find out the actual values over the investments. Now you can see this formulas, right? But I used to see this formula somewhere here on the top, like at this place, whatever the formula is inserted, I used to see it here somewhere, but I don't see it anymore. So I thought this might be the problem you guys have also faced. So I decided to record a video post fixing it. So let me help you quickly how you can fix it as well. So go to the file option, top left side. Let me show it to you again. Top left side, file option. Scroll down to the page, says more. If you don't see more, you will directly see option names options. Click on that, and then you will see a new dialog box appear on the screen. Click on advanced. Once you go there, scroll down a little bit more. You will see an option called display. In that, it says show formula bar. Check on this box, click on OK, and ta-da! There it is. So you can see the formula bar again. I was able to fix it. I hope this is gonna help you guys as well. If you do like this video, click on the like button if it helped you somewhere. Thank you so much for your time. You have a wonderful day again. Take care.